Sometimes on X or Twitter, if notifications pop up, you'll see how many are waiting for you. That means you'll notice notification badges. If you don't want to see that number, you can remove it. In this video, we'll explain how to remove the notification count badge on X or Twitter. To do this, open the X app. After that, you'll see your profile photo at the top. Tap on it. When you do, you'll find Settings and Support. Click on that. Then, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy. In there, you'll notice an option for notifications. Click on that, and you'll see an option called Preferences. Tap on Preferences, and you'll find an option for the notification count badge. Sometimes it's turned on, so you'll see the badge with a number on it. If you don't want that, just turn it off. After that, you won't see the notification count badge anymore. That's how you can easily disable the notification count badge on X or Twitter. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.